lesson for today is about simplifying rational expressions. Tips on simplifying rational expressions. First, you must know how to reduce fraction in lowest term. So, madali lang yon. So, elementary pa lang pinag-aaralan na to. Second, you must know to factor polynomials. Etong pangalawa naman, ito yung pinakaunang topic natin. We have factoring of polynomials. So, kung nakalimutan yan, you may have the previous videos that we have. Then, watch nyo lang yun para ma-review kayo ng factoring of polynomials. So, ilalagay ko rin to sa description box natin, yung link nito. Then, the third one, you know the simple laws of exponents. So, si laws of exponents, madalas dito ang ginagamit natin is division of laws of exponent, dividing. Okay? So, quotient rule ang madalas na ginagamit. Next tayo, let us have an example. Doon muna tayo sa first three examples, which is simply fractions lang. So, we are going to simplify or reduce fraction only dun sa unang tatlo. Let us have the first one. We have 15 over 40. So, for us to reduce 15 over 40, so, kailangan, alam mo maghanap ng number na divisible parehas doon sa numerator and denominator. Obviously, in 15 and 40, they are divisible by 5. Tama? Since they are divisible by 5, you are going to divide both numbers in 5. So, you are going to divide it by 5, divide it by 5. So, the answer is 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3 over 40 divided by 5, the answer is 8. We're done. So, 15 over 40 is equals to 3 over 8. That is it. Ganun lang kasimple. Mag-simplify or reduce ng fraction. Next tayo, number 2. We have here 32 over 40. So, think a number na divisible sa kanilang dalawa. Okay, number. Isang number lang. So, we have here, the answer here is 8. Divide by 8. Si 32 pag dinivide mo sa 8, pwede. Si 40 pag dinivide mo sa 8, pwede rin. So, 32 divided by 8, the answer is 4. Over 40 divided by 8, the answer is 5. So, the answer here is 4 over 5. Ma'am, paano kung hindi ko agad naisip? Ang naisip ko lang pa lang po ay divide siya sa 2. Divisible siya sa 2. Pwede naman. So, 32 divided by 2, the answer is 16. 40 divided by 2, the answer is 20. Pero po, pwede pa si 16 and 20. Eh, kung naisip ko ulit ay 2 ulit, pwede naman. So, 16 divided by 2, we have 8. 20 divided by 2, we have here 10. Diba? Eh, pwede pa ulit si 8 over 10. Divide mo ulit by 2. Divisible ulit po by 2. Yes, pwede pa. So, divide mo ulit. 8 divided by 2, the answer is 4. Then, 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. So, we have 4 over 5. We have the same answer. So, wag kang titigil hanggat po pwede pa naman siyang i-reduce to lowest term. Is it clear? So, next tayo. Let us have number 3. Negative 54 over 72. So, kapag nakita mo na agad yung kanyang pinakamataas na numbers na pwede mo i-divide doon kay 54 and 72, so that is 9. They are divisible by 9. So, we are going to divide it by 9 and divide by 9. So, negative 54 divided by 9, the answer is negative 6 over 72 divided by 9, the answer is 8. Ayan. So, afterwards, po pwede pa to. Si 6 and 8. They are divisible by 2. So, we have negative 6 divided by 2, the answer is negative 3 over 8 divided by 2, the answer is positive 4. So, the answer here is negative 3 over 4. Okay? So, depende sa maiisip nyong numbers na divisible sa numerator and denominator. Then, note, huwag kayong titigil hanggat po pwede pa siyang i-reduce sa lowest term. Is it clear? Next tayo, let us have number 4. We have here polynomials na. We are going to divide polynomials na dito. So, doon sa ating previous lesson, yung operations on polynomials, nandun yung division of polynomials. So, diniscuss ko na doon yung how to divide division of polynomials. So, we have here 12 and 18. So, simplify mo muna yung number. So, si 12 and 18, divisible by 3. Tama? By 3, tama. So, si 12, pag dinivide mo yan by 3, magiging 4. Si 18, pag dinivide mo yan by 3, magiging 6. Eh, si 4 and 6 po pwede pa by 2. So, si 4, it becomes 2. Then, si 6, it becomes 3. Okay? So, you have here 2 over 3. Okay? Huwag titigil hanggat hindi siya naka-lowest term. So, kung maisip nyo naman ay 6 agad po, pwede naman. 12 divided by 6, the answer is 2. 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3. Diba? So, mas mainam kung maiisip mo yung pinaka-greatest common factor niya. So, we have here, next tayo, variable tayo. X raised to 4 over x raised to 7. Sabi ko dun sa last time na video natin, we are going to subtract the exponent, copy the variable. So, kung saan mas malaki yung inyong exponent, doon natin ilalagay ang ating variable or yung sagot natin. So, 7 minus 4, the answer is 3. So, x cubed. So, since mas malaki yung 7, dito natin ilalagay sa denominator yung sagot mo. X cubed. Is it clear? Next tayo. Y over y cubed. So, 3 minus 1, the answer is 2. Mas malaki yung cube ulit. Dito natin ulit ilalagay sa denominator. So, you have here y squared. Next, z raised to 4 over z raised to 9. Just subtract. 9 minus 4, the answer is 5. So, since mas malaki ulit yung nasa denominator, dito nyo rin ilalagay yung sagot nyo sa denominator. Z raised to 5. Then, yung 2, since wala na siyang katabi, lagay mo na lang sa gitna. So, this is now your final answer. Is it clear? So, that is how you are going to simplify simplifying of rational expressions. Let us have more examples. Number 5, we have here x raised to 9, y cubed, z raised to 10, over x raised to 5, y squared, z raised to 20. So, simple quotient rule lang ulit tayo. So, we have here x raised to 9 over x raised to 5. That is x raised to 4. Just subtract. So, since mas mataas yung x raised to 9, dun mo ilagay yung sagot mo, which is x raised to 4. That is it. Next tayo, y cubed over y squared. As you can see, mas mataas yung y cubed. So, sa taas ulit natin ilalagay. Just subtract 3 minus 2. We have here 1. So, the answer here is y na lang. Next tayo, z raised to 10 over z raised to 20. So, since mas mataas yung nasa denominator, kailangan ang sagot natin nasa denominator. So, just subtract 20 minus 10, the answer is 10. So, we have z raised to 10. So, this is now your final answer. Next tayo, let us have number 6. 2x minus 6 over 3x minus 9. As you can see, meron na tayong binomial dito. Okay, kapag binomial, bawal kang mag-cancellation. Okay, kasi meron kang operation dito. Ano? So, gagamitin mo na dito is factoring. So, ano yung mga factoring na pwede mong gamitin? Common monomial, trial and error, difference of two square, and so on and so forth. Kung ano man yung factoring na tinuro ko last time sa inyo. So, in factoring, tingnan mo muna lagi si common monomial factor. Si common monomial factor, yun lagi mo siyang i-consider. Tingnan mo lagi kung may common. So, kapag may common siya, we will use common monomial. For example, this one, 2x minus 6. Si 2x minus 6 may common sa kanyang dalawa. Anong common sa kanya? So, si 2 at saka 6 divisible by 2. So, that's the common. So, yung 2 na yon ilabas mo. Then, open parenthesis. Then, you are going to divide. 2x divided by 2, ang matitira ay si x. Then, negative 6 divided by 2, the answer is negative 3. That is it. That is the factor. Over 3x minus 9. So, common ulit kay 3x minus 9. Ang common naman sa kanya dito ay 3. Open parenthesis. Then, you are going to divide. 3x divided by 3, the answer is x. Negative 9 divided by 3, the answer is negative 3. Diba? Then, afterwards, as you can see, itong x minus 3 at x minus 3, magkamukha na. So, pwede mo na siya i-cancel out. Magiging 1 na lang yon. So, sino na lang ang natira? Si 2 over 3. So, this is now the answer. Okay? So, mapapalit mo siya ng mapapaliit by using factoring. Next tayo, let us have number 7. So, in number 7, as you can see, common monomial factor pa rin tayo. Magsimula ka sa number, si 4 and 2. They are divisible by 2. So, yung 2 labas mo. Next tayo, si A at B, walang common. Si X at saka si X, may common, which is X. Then, open parenthesis. Then, we are going to divide. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Since wala kang A dito sa kabila, just copy A. Then, X divided by X, magiging 1 na lang yon. So, cancelled out. So, 2A na lang. Is it clear? Then, minus. Just copy the sign. 2 divided by 2, 1. So, no need to write. Then, B. Walang B. Just write here B. Then, X and X, divide mo to each other, magiging 1 na lang. So, eto na lang yung matitira. So, that's the common factor. Over. 6 and 4, divisible by 2 ulit. Then, si A and B, wala ulit. X and X, divisible ulit. So, we have here 2X. Open parenthesis. Then, the rest divide. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. So, walang A dito. Dito meron. Just copy A. Then, X divided by X is 1. So, wala na si X. Next tayo. Negative. Negative. 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. Then, X at X mawawala, matitira ay si B. Now, kung mapapansin nyo, sino ngayon ang magkamukha? Si 2X at saka si 2X. So, therefore, ito yung mawawala. Si 2X and 2X. Then, this one, you cannot cancel A dito ha. You cannot cancel B kasi may operation ha. Tandaan po yon. Madalas po kasi doon nagkakamali. So, bawal i-cancel yan kapag meron ka operation sa gitna. Since dito ay multiplication ang operation niya, dyan lang kayo po pwedeng mag-cancellation. Is it clear? So, your answer is 2A minus B over 3A minus 2B. So, this is now your final answer. Is it clear? Let us have more examples. Number 8. 2x minus 3 all over 3 minus 2x. Dito, as you can see, halos parehas sila ng number. We have 2x and 2x and 3 and 3. Yung sign lang yun na iba dyan. So, kapag ganyan ang case natin, ang gagawin lang natin, maglalabas tayo ng negative sign. Dito tayo. So, negative tayo. Negative times. Kapag naglabas ka ng negative sign dyan, etong 2x magiging negative. Mababaliktad yung kanyang sign. So, negative 2x to. Etong negative 3 magiging positive 3. Over. So, ito, just copy. 3 minus 2x. As you can see, parehas na siya. Positive 3, negative 2, negative 2. So, kung parehas na siya, pwede nating i-cancel out na yan. So, magiging 1 na lang yan. So, ang magiging sagot is negative 1. That is it. Is it clear? Next tayo, number 9. Same case with number 8. So, negative ito, negative. Ito nga lang, positive and positive. So, maglabas ka ulit ng negative sa labas. Negative. So, itong negative 5, magiging positive 5. Itong negative x, magiging plus x. Over x plus 5. Parehas na sila. Positive x, positive 5, positive 5. Cancelled out na to, so magiging siyang negative 1. Maliwanag? Next tayo, let us have number 10. In number 10, ayan, meron na tayo dyang squared and squared. Merong binomial, then we have here trinomial. As you can see dito, x squared minus 1, that is a difference of 2 square. Diba? So, perfect square yan, perfect square si 1. Then, minus. So, factoring of difference of 2 square ang gagamitin natin dito. So, square root ni x squared, we have here x at saka x. Then, ang square root ni 1 ay isang positive 1, isang negative 1. So, yun lang. Then, over. Dito naman, that is a trinomial. Sa trinomial, meaning, ang gagamitin mo dyan is trial and error. So, we have here x squared, x and x. So, factors lang ni 1. Plus 1 at saka plus 1. Kasi positive sila lahat eh. So, plus at plus 1. Pag in-add mo tong 1 plus 1, the answer is 2. So, tama ang ating factors. So, trial and error. Basta pag nakakita ka nitong trinomial, laging trial and error, madalas ang inyong gagamitin. Kapag naman ganitong dalawa, then difference, meaning difference of 2 square. Then, afterwards, cancellation na tayo. Sino ang parehas? Si x plus 1 at saka si x plus 1. So, ang natira ay si x minus 1 over x plus 1. Hindi po pwedeng i-cancel kasi meron kang operation. Is it clear? So, that is number 10. Hopefully, nagigets ha? Kasi i-apply pa natin ito sa ibang lesson natin. Let us have more examples pa. Number 11. In number 11, we have here difference of 2 square pa rin. Kasi si x squared ay perfect square, si 16 is also a perfect square. Tapos yung denominator mo, trinomial, so meaning ang gagamitin natin is trial and error. So x squared minus 16. So we have a factor of x squared minus 16, x and x, then positive and negative. Ano lang yung square root ni 16? We have 4. Just write here 4 and then 4. That is it. Over. So, dito, sa denominator, trial and error tayo. Factors ni x squared, we have here x and x. Now, what would be the factors of 12? So, since minus to, isang positive, isang negative. Anong factors ni 12 pag sinubtract mo ay 1? So, syempre, we have 4 and 3, obviously. Ngayon, saan natin ilalagay yung positive at negative? Since negative ito, kailangan ang higher number mo is negative. So, ito magiging negative, itong positive. So, pag yan inad mo, magiging negative 1. Ayun, lumabas, negative 1. Okay? So, therefore, dito ang minus 4, dito ay plus 3. Ayan na. So, kailangan, alam nyong mag-factoring using trial and error. So, next tayo. You are going to cancel na natin yung same terms na. So, we have here x minus 4 and x minus 4. They are just the same. Cancelled out na yan. Magiging 1 na lang. So, ito, just copy. You have here x plus 4 over x plus 3. We're done. So, this is now your final answer. Next tayo, let us have number 12. You have here x squared minus 14x plus 45. So, trinomial ulit yan. As you can see. So, trial and error pa rin tayo dito. So, you have here, open and close, open and close. Factor ni x squared, you have here x and x. Since ito ay positive, then ito negative, parehas na negative. Negative and negative. Okay, ang susundan mo yung second term. Now, think a number. Factor si 45. Pag inad mo, the answer is 14. So, that is 9 at saka 5. Diba? 9 times 5, the answer is 45. If you add them, since negative parehas, negative and negative, negative 9 plus negative 5, the answer is negative 14. Okay? So, this one is negative 9 and negative 5. Pwede rin naman magkabaliktad dyan, x minus 5, x minus 9. Next tayo, let us have the denominator. So, factors ulit ni x squared, we have x and x. Ngayon, 72. Since negative ulit ito, then this one is positive, parehas na negative dapat ang sagot mo. Think a number na pag inad, factor sa 72, pag inad mo ay 17. So, we have here 9 at saka 8. Diba? 9 times 8, 72. 9 plus 8, 17. Tama? So, since para sa negative, pag negative 9 minus negative 8, the answer is negative 17. So, tama ulit ang sagot mo. Lagay mo dyan, 9 at saka 8. Tapos, yung magkamukha, cancelled out. So, ang natira is, we have x minus 5 over x minus 8. So, that is your final answer. Is it clear? Next tayo. Number 13. X squared plus 4x. So, dito, as you can see, common monomial, we have x. Labas may x. Open parenthesis. X squared divided by x, you have here x. Then plus 4x divided by x, the answer is 4. Over. Common ulit. 4, tsaka 16. So, you have here 4. 4 ang common sa kanila. Divisible by 4. Open parenthesis. 4x divided by 4, the answer is x. Next, 16 divided by 4, the answer is positive 4. It is equal to, cancel out plus 4, x plus 4, matitira is x over 4. So, that is it. Let us have another examples. 14. You have your x cubed minus 8 over x squared minus 4. As you can see dito sa number 14, ito ay perfect cube and a perfect cube. So, siya ay difference of 2 cubes. So, 2 cubes na factoring yung inyong gagamitin. So, cube root lang ni x. Anong cube root ni x ay x. Then, just copy minus. So, anong cube root ngayon ni 8? Numbers na pag minultiply mo ng 3 beses, ang sagot is 8. So, that is 2. X minus 2. Afterwards, nyan, yung factor nyan, squared mo to, you have your x squared, then yung negative magiging positive. Multiply mo lang tong dalawa, that is 2x. Then, squared mo yung last term, that is plus 4. That is the first one. And then, the other one, x squared minus 4. So, ito na yung factor ni x cubed minus 8, ha? So, kung mapapansin, kung matatandaan niyo yung factoring of difference of 2 cubes, yun po yun. Then, x squared minus 4, difference of 2 squared yan. So, meaning, you have here x plus 2 at saka x minus 2. Then, cancel mo lang yung x minus 2. Cancelled out, cancelled out. So, matitira na lang is si x squared plus 2x plus 4, which is wala nang common, wala na rin siyang, hindi mo na rin siya pwede i-trial and error, then over x plus 2. So, wala nang common sa kanila, di na pwede i-trial and error. So, ito na yung pinaka-final answer. Is it clear? Next tayo, number 15. Diba ang haba? Number 15. So, dito sa number 15, ito, mag-groupings ka na. So, mag-group tayo. Ito, i-group natin itong dalawa at saka itong dalawa. Kasi may common naman sa kanila. So, you have here m squared plus am. Group natin to. Plus, yung isa naman ay mb plus ab. Mamaya na to, ha. Dito muna tayo. Then, afterwards, labas mo yung common. Ang common niya is m times, so, m squared divided by m, we have m, plus am divided by m, we have here a. Plus, common ulit. Ang common sa kanila is b. Labas mo yung b. mb divided by b, we have m, plus ab divided by b, we have a. That is it. Then, may common tayo. ma plus b. So, m plus a, then times, divide mo to, matitira si m, then divide mo to, matitira si plus b. That is it. Then, over na tayo. Common. Ang common sa kanila is 2. Times. So, divide. 2m divided by 2, that is m. Plus 2a divided by 2, that is a. Yan na. Cancelled out na tayo. M plus a, m plus a. So, ang natira natin is m plus b over 2. That is it. Diba? Ang haba-haba niya, pero ito lang ang matitira sa kanya, m plus b over 2. So, ulitin ko, kailangan alam nyong mag-factoring. Alamin kung anong klaseng factoring ang pwedeng i-apply sa kanya. Next tayo, let us have the last one, number 16. Squared of x minus 4, then x squared minus 16. Pag nakakita kayo ng squared, meaning, inulit ng 2 beses, minultiply. Meaning, x minus 4 times x minus 4. Yun yung ibig sabihin nun. Over. Ito, difference of 2 squared. So, ito ay isang x plus 4 at saka isang x minus 4. Then, cancelled out lang yung parehas. Itong x minus 4, x minus 4. So, therefore, ang matira, x minus 4 over x plus 4. Ayan na. So, that is now your answer. Is it clear? So, that is how you are going to simplify rational expression. So, hopefully, may natutunan kayo this day. And, yung mga kailangan nyo reviewin, lagay ko lang po sa description box. Kapag may tanong lang po sa comment box. And, thank you for listening. Bye-bye!